And this is what your Windows 11 25 H2 desktop look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to customize your Windows 11 25 H2 desktop and taskbar as well. I'll show you step by step, so let's dive into the video. Okay, before we start, let me clear one thing. This customization is not recommended for low-end devices. It might be consume some resources. Okay, so first go to this website and download this wallpaper. And then open your Microsoft Store and install Lively Wallpaper. Click on Get and it will install Lively Wallpaper. I'll be right back after installation the Lively Wallpaper. Okay, wallpaper installation has been complete. Click on Open. And then now I'm going to apply the wallpaper. Click on this plus icon and drag your wallpaper and drop here. And then click on OK. So it will apply the wallpaper. So wallpaper has been applied. Okay, now let's set up the desktop. First we're going to install Rainmeter, and here is some default skin. Just right click on it and unload these skins. Okay, first we're going to install this skin. Click on install, and in here you have to select your music player and place your widgets and unload rest of them. Okay, then copy this folder and go to documents, Rainmeter, skins, and paste it here. And then open your Rainmeter and refresh it, then expand this folder, and in here you have to load time and date and place it here, and then double click on it and select the color. And then open Windhoek. You have to install Windhoek, and then install taskbar styler. Click on details and install it. Then go to this folder and copy this taskbar script, then go to advanced and paste it here, then click on save. Okay, then install taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and install it, and then go to this folder again and copy taskbar height and icon size, then click on advanced and paste it here, then click on save. Okay, now we're going to install another mods called taskbar dock animation. Click on details and install it. And for the minimalist look, you can hide your desktop icon, and this is it. This is how you can customize your Windows 11 25 H2 desktop. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.